Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix communication error in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. There could be multiple reasons due to this issue now, so turn down that lobby limit time. So could be a downtime on that lobby. If you wait time in the lobby is around 600 seconds, this may causing some issues with the server. By the time you find a match, and your player probably disconnects, so that could be an issue. If it doesn't have to be something that you have to fix, but it's a temporary makeshift solution until the developers recognize the worldwide problem. Also, for the PC players, there could be a BIOS issue, and update drivers could be causing this type of issues. Technically, a console player can also update the BIOS by, but the process is a lot more complicated, and verdict from the online gaming communities on Reddit and Steam suggests that this might only work for those playing Sparking Zero on PC. Another thing that comes into the action is this might save you if the method's current is going to be. The last thing you can try is simply connect your PC console to an internet via the cable, so an Ethernet cable is suggested to be playing if you want to get more stable connection. So these are some of the solutions that you are going to apply. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how you can fix communication error in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.